Hello, welcome to Fogwing Learning Center. Today, we will be discussing about disadvantages of Excel maintenance. Let's jump right into it. Excel have been a workhorse for many tasks, but when it comes to maintenance planning, they fall short. While they may seem like a convenient option at first, Excel's limitations can lead to bigger problems down the road. Here's why it's best to consider a CMMS, Computerized Maintenance Management System, for your maintenance needs. Inaccuracy and errors. Excel become prone to errors as your maintenance plan grows. Manual data entry can lead to typos and inconsistencies, and complex formulas can be difficult to maintain. With a CMMS, data validation tools and automated workflows help ensure accuracy. Limited functionality. Excel lack features specifically designed for maintenance. Scheduling tasks, tracking inventory, and managing preventive maintenance become cumbersome and time-consuming. A CMMS offers dedicated modules for these tasks, streamlining your workflow. Data silos and collaboration issues. Multiple versions of Excel floating around can create data silos, making it difficult for teams to access the latest information. A CMMS provides a central platform for real-time data sharing and collaboration, improving communication and accountability. Scalability issues. Excel quickly become unwieldy as your maintenance needs increase. Adding new equipment, locations, or users can lead to a cluttered mess. A CMMS is designed to scale with your operations, allowing you to manage a growing maintenance program efficiently. Limited reporting and analytics. Extracting insights from Excel is a manual process. A CMMS offers robust reporting tools that provide valuable data on maintenance performance, allowing you to identify trends and make informed decisions. Mobile access. Maintenance teams are often on the move. Excel don't offer a user-friendly mobile experience. A CMMS with a mobile app allows technicians to access work orders, update statuses, and report issues in real time, improving efficiency and responsiveness. Compliance challenges. Maintaining compliance with industry regulations can be difficult with Excel. A CMMS can help ensure you're following specific protocols for preventive maintenance and work order completion. We hope this information has been useful. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. For more details, visit our website, fogwing.io. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, take care.